Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to be using the Instacart app as a customer. I've been using the Instacart app diligently since the beginning of quarantine, so like the first week of March or so. There's 4 of us in the household, so we order about every 1.5 to 2 weeks. We have not gone to a physical grocery store since I actually don't know when, before summer, before spring. Like I don't even know an exact date because we've been using Instacart. There's different stores you can use to order from Instacart, but we've been using this diligently and it's very, very easy to use. It's very useful. It's especially during this time, it's a very scary time right now. It's best to stay inside, and if you have the means to order through Instacart, I'm going to show you from the start to finish, whether that's selecting the store, selecting what items, typing it in, saying whether you want organic, which is what we do in our family. We get mostly only organic options. There's not much to it. It's very easy, and I hope that you will probably start using it or continue using it if you haven't before. So let's get into it.
So the first thing that I do is I type in Instacart and wait for the website to load. Once you're in, you are going to sign in using whatever email address you have on file or whatever you've already created an account using. So you're just going to enter your email address, enter your password, and gradually log in. After that, this is the home page. Mine is defaulted to Safeway because I always shop at Safeway. Also note that the address that's listed there is a Jamba Juice. It's not my address. So I'm going to click on stores, and it's going to show you the different options within your area. Obviously, there's going to be different stores depending on what region you live in. So there's Target, Food Co., Sprouts, Bevmo, just a variety of different stores. But again, like I stated, I shop at Safeway. So when I go back to the home page, I'll be shopping specifically at Safeway. When I go in, you click on it, and it shows you popular searches. These are just common things that people get. But I'm going to type in things from my grocery list. I'm going to type in baguette and wait for it to load, and these are the different options that are related to baguette. I'm going to get 1, but you can also keep adding up if you want to get more than that, but obviously I'm just going to get 1 and continue. Next, I am typing in goat cheese, and I'm going to order specifically organic goat cheese. If you've ordered an item previously before, it will say buy again because I've gotten that in the past and it remembers that. Next, I'm getting strawberries. Again, I can scroll down and I'm getting organic. There's a lot of different options and not just that, but that's what I'm going to get. As you can see, I'm breezing through this because it'll be redundant for me to show you every single item that I'm searching for, but for the purpose of showing you the item's weight, size, you can search it by the amount in quantity or the amount in weight. I'm getting obviously 1 onion, not 1 pound of onions. When you're done, you have a whole list, like your whole cart, as if like a normal online shopping experience, and it also shows you the amount of time that it could be expected to be delivered. Once you finally go to the checkout, it shows you the different days. So whether it's the next day, 2 days from now, just whatever works for you, and it also allows you to pick a time. When you finally select that, you can type that you want it to leave at the front door, leave it outside, like these are the instructions or the opportunity for you to let them know you don't want any contact given COVID. Also, my service fee is cheaper than what's stated there because I have the Express membership, and also there's the opportunity to put the delivery tip. I always do 20%. For the sake of my privacy, again, I have like half the screen crossed off so I can actually put the order in and use like my credit card information. At the very end, it kind of gives you like a, hey, if it is out of stock, these are things you can add in just to make the experience a lot easier for the shopper, because if it's out of stock, you already have pre-approved what they can get in replacement. I'm saying looks good because I already I have my fingers crossed hoping that my things are in stock, but you can also communicate with the shopper while they're actually shopping. After, you will get a notification on your phone and your email stating that the order was placed and the estimated delivery time. Then it'll say that it's in progress and the shopper is actually starting to put the order together. The shopper finally starts to shop for your order. It'll tell you the items that they're still shopping for and the items that they've already picked up and placed in the cart. You can also type to them stating, hey, I forgot to add this to the list. Are you able to do this? Like, it's easier to do this earlier on for them for the convenience of timing for yourself and for the shopper. But you can say, hey, yeah, I just forgot something. Or if there was something out of stock and they did a different replacement, you have that chat option. I'm scrolling to the bottom to show you the things that they've actually shopped for and actually received already, and it has a little green check mark to let you know that they've picked it up. If there's any time that they need to make a replacement, it will say that this is what it was replaced with and the price difference, so you kind of already have an idea. It also gives you an option to say, hey, they picked those different options but you didn't like it. You can either say, I'd rather have this, or just tell them you don't want it at all because you wanted your specific brand. So I'm going to approve what they said because it was close enough. Now that I've approved it, it shows you the upcharge because it was a different item. It's very transparent. I'm also not going to show the whole experience because it'll be very redundant. But after they are done shopping, it will tell you that they're stored in the fridge and freezer until they're ready to deliver it. When they finally are on the way, it shows you the ETA, and then you'll get a notification stating when they're close or arriving. Once they've arrived, they might or may not send a picture saying that they've left it at the door.
So I hope this video was very useful for you. I showed you how to place the order, select what store, say whether you needed 5 of an item or 5 of a weight, like the pound, so it makes a difference. I also showed you how you can interact with the shopper, things you can ask ahead of time or after. You can change the items before they actually start shopping. And you can actually watch them drive from the store to the house. You can have like a good rough estimate of when they will deliver the groceries to you. I hope that you get something out of this. And if you haven't shopped from Instacart, that this encourages you to try it. And if you do, please leave a comment. If you've used it before and you loved it, please let me know how your experience has been. I personally have had really good experiences, and I've been really grateful that I can use this app to get my groceries delivered to my front door. If there's any other videos that you would want to see me do, try, review, anything like that, drop it in the comments and I will try and do that for the next video. So stay tuned, guys. Bye!